Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from 360 Life Safety, here to talk to you about our Mini TAC B Kit. Our B Kit is the second in line of our Mini Trauma Aid Kit series, following the A Kit, which is our foundation in building this product line. The reason the A Kit is our foundation is because all the products that are in the A Kit are included in the rest of our Mini TAC series. So let's quickly go over these pieces. You have 2 pairs of gloves, a mylar blanket or a space blanket, sterile Z-folded gauze, and a SWAT tourniquet or a stretch, wrap, and tuck tourniquet. Moving on to our B Mini TAC, the B Kit adds a unique product in this line called a pressure bandage. The one we supply is the Israeli bandage or an IZZY. It's like a robust ACE bandage, but so much more. It comes vacuum sealed, so you'll need to tear this package open, and there is an inner package as well, keeping this product sterile and compact. The components of the pressure bandage are what make it so unique. There's this built-in sterile pad that you're going to place right over the wound. This is your pressure applicator, and what you do with this is you position it slightly to the side of the wound, wrap the bandage around once and through the applicator, and then pull back in the opposite direction, so that it causes the applicator to press down on top of the wound, applying direct pressure. As you continue wrapping, it will apply additional pressure. At the end of the bandage, there is a closure bar. So there's no need to fight with tape or anything else to help you secure this bandage. You have everything you need for this pressure bandage built right in. What this product does for you, the responder, is that it frees you up from maintaining direct pressure, allowing you to check for additional wounds or assisting other victims. All of our trauma aid kits have a unique serial number that upon registration provides you access to our training videos. Additionally, we'll send you an email when your perishable items approach their expiration date, allowing you to always be prepared for the unforeseen, where you learn, work, play, and pray. You can learn more about our products at www.360lifesafety.com.